Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can create workflows in HubSpot, so let's get right into it. Now, workflows are an automation tool which you can use to automate some certain processes while using the HubSpot service. Now, it does require a subscription, and if I hover over it right here under automations, you'll see that it requires the sales, service, marketing, and operations hub professional subscriptions to work. So since I won't be able to show you guys exactly how that is done, but if I go into workflows, this is what it looks like. As you can see, you do need to upgrade it to actually work. So as you can see, I can't really do anything at the moment, but I will be going through this here step-by-step guide to show you guys how it is done. Now, to create a workflow from scratch, you just need to go to workflows as I've navigated previously, then click create workflow and from scratch in the upper right, and then you need to select object based to select your workflow object, and this determines what type of record can be enrolled in the workflow. Now you can select these here. I won't be going through the entire list, but you can see it over here. And then in the right panel under choose type, you need to select blank workflow, and this option will be the default one. And then just click next, and at the top to give your workflow a name and description, click on the pencil icon and enter both of those. And then you can also generate the description using Breeze, which is HubSpot's AI. However, I don't prefer to use AI for these things. Then at the bottom, you just click save, and that's it. Alternatively, you can use a template to create a workflow. You just need to go to workflows and click create workflow from template, and then from the templates library, you need to choose one that matches your goals. And then to review the template details, you need to click preview, and in the dialog box, you can check if the template is compatible with your subscriptions. And you can also review these details, which are the purpose, what you'll need to prepare, and the template preview. And once you've selected the template, click use template, and in the workflow editor, the template will be displayed with placeholder actions, which you can edit, add, remove, and do other things within the editor. Then you need to set the enrollment triggers and do a couple of different things and add actions. However, that is pretty well outlined and it's pretty self-explanatory, so I won't be going over that step right now, but that is pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.